Are you looking for a boost in performance from your Windows 10 PC or laptop? Look no further, as I am here to show you how to enable the Ultimate Power Plan in Windows 10. This power plan is designed to give your system the best performance and lowest latency possible, but it is only available on certain versions of Windows 10. First, let's make sure that your version of Windows 10 is compatible with the Ultimate Power Plan. To do this, click on the Windows button in the bottom left corner and type WinVer into the search bar. A pop-up menu will appear, displaying your version of Windows 10. The Ultimate Power Plan is only available on version 18.03 or higher. If your version is lower, you can update your system by clicking on the Windows button again and searching for Check for Updates. Once your system is updated, restart your computer and proceed to the next step. Now that we've confirmed compatibility, let's enable the Ultimate Power Plan. Right-click on the Windows button and select Windows PowerShell Admin from the menu. Inside the PowerShell, copy and paste the command found in the video description, starts with powercfg, and press Enter. A message will appear confirming that the Ultimate Performance Scheme has been added. So if you want to activate the Ultimate Performance settings, simply go to your Power Options settings and change to Ultimate Performance. That's it. Your Windows 10 machine is now optimized for the best performance possible. Keep in mind that this power plan is not recommended for all systems and may not be suitable for everyone. I will be providing more information on this feature in the future, including benchmarks and comparisons to help you decide if this power plan is right for you. Let me know your results in the comments section below.